नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ। आज आम कि डेली यूज सेंटेंस शिखा। मु आज ऑफिस जाई परिबे नाही कारण मो देह भल नाही। एहाकु आम इंग्लिश रे कहिबा आई कैन नॉट गो टू द ऑफिस टुडे बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल। एहा आम इंग्लिश रे कहि थाउ। नेक्स्ट हेउची जदी वर्षा हुए तेबे आमे बाहर को जाई परिबा नाही। इफ इट रेन्स देन वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो आउटसाइड। If it rains, then we will not be able to go outside. नेक्स्ट हेउची समय सबुठारु बड़ शिक्षक। टाइम इज द ग्रेटेस्ट टीचर। टाइम इज द ग्रेटेस्ट टीचर कहि थांती इंग्लिश रे। आशा करूची सब किछि ठीक होई जीवो। आई होप एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑल राइट। आई होप एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑल राइट आमे इंग्लिश रे कहि थांती। मोर एहा ऊपर संदेह अछि। आई हैव डाउट अबाउट दिस। I have doubt about this कहि थांती हम इंग्लिश रे। नेक्स्ट हेउची तुमरो कोन मने हेउची। What do you feel या what do you think? What do you feel कहि परिबा या what do you think कहिबा। एहा करिबा एते सहज नहुए। It is not that easy to do this. It is not that easy to do this कहि थांती हम इंग्लिश रे। नेक्स्ट हेउची मते लागुनी कि से आजी आसीबे। I don't think he will come today. I don't think he will come today. से धनी होइथिले मध्य बहुत सरल। Although he is rich, he is very simple कहि थांती। मु आसीबा पूर्वरु सेठारे पहुंची जाइथिबे। I will have reached there before you arrive. I will have reached there before you arrive. मु बाहर को जाई पारिलिनी कारण मो पाखरे छता नथिला। I could not go to because I did not have an umbrella. तुमे जदि परिश्रम करिवो तेबे तुमे निश्चय सफल हेबो। If you work hard, you will surely succeed कहि थांती हम इंग्लिश रे। जेहेतु बहुत देरी होलानी आमे एबे बाहरिबा उचित। Since it's already very late, we should leave now कहि थांती इंग्लिश रे। मते गतकाली रातिरु जर हेउछि। I have been having a fever since last night. I have been having a fever since last night. एहा कोन बहुत गंभीर समस्या की। Is this a very serious problem? Is this a very serious problem कहि थांती। मोर एही औषधरे एलर्जी अछि। I am allergic to this medicine. I am allergic to this medicine कहि थांती। डॉक्टर को सहित केबे देखा करी हेबो। When can I meet the doctor? When can I meet the doctor कुहा जाए इंग्लिश रे। जल्दी एम्बुलेंस डाक। Call the ambulance immediately. Call the ambulance immediately कहि थांती। मोर रक्तचाप बढ़ी जाइछि। My blood pressure has increased. My blood pressure has increased कहि थांती इंग्लिश रे। पाखरे कोनोसी डॉक्टरखाना अछि कि। Is there a hospital nearby? Is there a hospital nearby कुहा जाए। नेक्स्ट हेउची मते श्वास नेबारे कष्ट हेउची। I am having difficult breathing. I am having difficult breathing कहि थांती। मते बुझाइबाकू चेष्टा करनी। Don't try to explain it to me. Don't try to explain it to me कुहा जाए। मो कथारे मुंड खेलाओनी। Don't interfere in the matters. Don't interfere in the matters कहि थांती। तुम निज सीमा भितरे रुह। Stay within your limit. Stay within your limits कहि थांती। मु तुमको एहा पई केबे भी क्षमा करिबिनी। I will never forgive you for this. I will never forgive you for this कहि थांती। चुप रुह बेसी कथा कुहनी। Keep quiet. Don't talk too much. Keep quiet. Don't talk too much कहा जाए। तुमर साहस केमिति हला एमिति कहिबाकू। How dare you say this? How dare you say this कहा जाए इंग्लिश रे। आपण कोन मते एही रिपोर्ट रे ईमेल करि परिबे। Could you please email me this report? Could you please email me this report कहा जाए। आजिरो मीटिंग केते बेले आरंभ हेबो। What time will you today meeting start? What time will you today meeting start कहा जाए। नेक्स्ट हेउची मु आपनक सहित संपूर्ण सहमत। I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you कहा जाए इंग्लिश रे। ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ଏହି ବିଷୟରେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ସୂଚନା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ give me some more information on this matter. Please give me some more information on this matter. ଆମକୁ ଏହି ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ସମୟ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଶେଷ କରିବାକୁ ହେବ। We have to finish this project before the deadlines କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପରେ କଲ୍ କରିବି। I will call you. I will call you କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ସମୟ ନେଇପାରିବି? Can I have a moments for your time? Can I have a moments of your time କୁହାଯାଏ। ଏହି କାମଟି ବହୁତ ଜରୁରୀ। This work is very urgent. This work is very urgent କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ମୋତେ ଏହି ଜିନିଷଟି ସେତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି। ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହିବା I don't like this thing that much. I don't like this thing that much କୁହାଯାଏ। ମୁଁ ତୁମ କଥା ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି। I don't want to hear your words. I don't want to hear your words. या excuse କୁହାଯାଏ। ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି କରିପାରିବନି? Can't you do even this much for me? Can't you do even this much for me କୁହାଯାଏ। ମୁଁ ଆଜି ବାହାରେ ଖାଇବି ନାହିଁ। I will not eat outside today. I will not eat outside today କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ରହିବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me live me a peace for a while. Let me live in a peace for a while କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ମୁଁ କିଛି ସମୟ ବାହାରେ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to go for a walk outside for a while. I want to go for a walk outside for a while କୁହାଯାଏ। ଏହା କେବେ ବି ହୋଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। This can never happen. This can never happen କହିଥାନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ମୋତେ ଏକା ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ। Leave me alone. Leave me alone କୁହାଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ସଫଳତା ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ସର୍ଟକଟ୍ ନାହିଁ। There is no shortcut to success. There is no shortcut to success କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂଲିଶରେ। ସକାରାତ୍ମକ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା ରଖ। Keep a positive mindset. Keep a positive mindset କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ସମୟ ସବୁ ଘା ଶୁଖାଇ ଦିଏ। Time heals all wounds. Time heals all wounds କୁହାଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ହେଉଛି ନିଜ କାମରେ ମନ ଦିଅ। Focus on your works. Focus on your work କହିଥାନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କିଛି ନୂଆ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର। Try to learn something new every day. Try to learn something new every day କହିଥାନ୍ତି ଇଂଲିଶରେ।